dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold.
Mahal, ngayong araw ang pinakamasayang araw para sa akin. Dahil ikaw ang magiging asawa ko, magiging kakampi ko, kakasama ko habang buhay.
I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you will never let go. Yeah, if you ever move on without me.
Mahal, alam mo, nagpapasalamat ako na nag-Tinder ako noon. Kasi kung hindi, baka hindi tayo nagkakilala.
That you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever.
Hindi ko in-expect na isang simpleng message lang ang magiging simula ng love story natin. Hanggang ngayon, minsan, naiisip ko pa rin kung paano tayo pinagtagpo ni Lord sa hindi natin inaasahang paraan.
Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Not anyone.
Thank you for the love, prayers, gifts and efforts na ginawa niyo para makapunta kayo this evening. We feel so blessed to be surrounded by people who love and support us.
If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.
Just a little background of how me and Makar met. It's a little secret between us. I'm not sure if everyone's aware. She used to be a black belter back on our high school days. And she used to be one of my mentors, me and my cousin. So that's how the friendship started.
First impression ko actually, mayabang. Kasi, kahit ang laki-laki ng bill lagi tuwing kumakain kami. Tapos lagi siyang yung nagbabayad ng bill.
Mabait, kasi mainhin, ganyan. Tapos, funny din.
Mabait siya. Sobrang understanding. Tapos, napaka-respectful niya sa akin.
Ayun nga, simple lang, mabait, tapos mapagmahal sa magulang.
Natuwa kasi sobrang actually matagal ko na hinihintay yung proposal niya. Hindi ko inaasahan na nung simpleng celebration lang namin ng anniversary, bigla siyang mag-propose.
Siguro nung namatay airpat ko nung 2024. Nandyan sa tabi ko, hindi ako iniwan.
Magmahalan kayo. Yung away lang yun pero magpakatatag kayo.
Salamat. At dumating ka sa ganito. Ito yung pinapangarap ko talaga. Sa inyo yung magkakapatid. Sana huwag kang magbago. Mahal na mahal kita.
Just to remind that marriage is a strong commitment, no guarantee, no manual. In short, no return, no exchange.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor.
Pangako ko na mamahalin kita ng buong puso kahit lagi kang may toyo.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mahaba mong pasensya sa akin at sa hindi mo pag-iwan sa akin kahit sobrang moody ko. Thank you for choosing me, loving me, understanding me, and for being my partner through everything. I love you, mahal, and I will continue choosing you every day for the rest of our lives.
At susuportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay. Iingatan ko ang puso mo at ang pamilyang buuin natin. Kahit anong mangyari, ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw. Mahal kita ngayon, bukas at habang buhay.
On this day, I promise.